Jimmy here. I'm going to show you how to pair the Android unit with your wrist transducer. So this is already on. And what we're going to do is you're going to hold this button on the side here and you'll see a blue light come on. Okay. And it'll flash. Tick, tick, tick. We want to get it in the fast blinking mode. So we're going to sit there and hit it twice real quick. Okay, so you see how it's going to tick, 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 tick really fast. So now here, you don't see anything on the menu here, but you come to the left corner and you touch the screen and you slide it and you can see it says settings right here. So we're going to hit settings. And then it will bring up this menu. Now, if you want to change the color, if you don't like light blue, you can go and change it, let's say to lime, let's say purple, you can change it to purple, you can do red if you want, make it red, pink, how about teal color? So these are all different colors. So I'm going to go back to light blue, okay? Now let's go to blue, darker blue, okay, there we go. So now down here you have Bluetooth on and off and Bluetooth pair. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to make sure that the Bluetooth is on. It says turn Bluetooth off. Yes, I want to turn the Bluetooth off. So now the Bluetooth is off. So now I hit the button and it says turn Bluetooth on. You say yes. So now it says Bluetooth is on. Very, very easy. Whenever Baby E, my partner in this, or Robin, I call him Baby E because he's got brain like Baby Einstein. He said, I'm going to make this to where a 2-year-old can go through the menu. So now what we want to do is we want to hit Bluetooth pair, and it says scanning audio devices for 15 seconds. So it should pick up the RifeWAVZ. And you see it says right there, select pair. Yes, so we're going to tap that. And so now it says initiating pairing with the RifeWAVZ. And so now you can see over here where it's solid. Okay, so it's paired with your RifeWAVZ transducer. Okay, so that's how easy it is to pair the transducer with it. And if you want to forget it, if you want to turn it off, then all you do is you come over here to hit Bluetooth forget. And it says forget what device. I want to forget this one right here, the RifeWAVZ. So then what it does is it turns that unit off, okay, as far as connected to it. Okay, so I hope that helped you learn how you can pair your, now let's see, it's flashing fast again. So let's try this again real quick. So the Bluetooth is still on. We're going to do Bluetooth pair. And then we're going to wait and see for it to search for the wrist transducer. Come on, find it. You know it's out there. It's looking for it. There it is. So we're going to go, yes, we want to pair that. Initiating pairing with the RifeWAVZ. And you can see it's solid now. So now whatever you play in this is going to play through the transducer speaker that's built inside of that. Okay, I hope this helped you. It's a marvelous device, very easy to use, and everybody is really going to love it.